there would be people from all over the country. And I have 2 minutes, so I'm going to talk very quickly. I'm a private immigration attorney. I've been working for many, many years in the immigration community. Io Gonzalez, who is my colleague and my dear friend, works also within the community. She's one of the most incredible litigators and has won so many asylum cases for people from Sierra Leone, and they're totally dedicated. I come from the private practice sector. She comes from the nonprofit. But our message for all of you today as leaders of the community is the same. We are here to ask you to continue to protect your community. On August 15th, at www.uscis.gov, an announcement was made. It says Ebola outbreak-related immigration relief measures to nationals of Guinea, Liberia, and Sierra Leone currently in the United States. A lot of people have been flying around, running to lawyers to ask for things, spending money. Right now, we don't really know what this means. This is not an open invitation to go and apply for something else. For individuals, for certain individuals who might be a student at this point or might have a tourist visa that's expiring, maybe they'll be eligible for something. Maybe we'll have more relief down the pike. But this is not deferred action. This is not TPS. This is not asylum. So our message to you is please, www.uscis.gov, read it. Protect your communities from all the places that you are. I saw North Carolina, Wisconsin, Philadelphia, all over the country. Tell them, read it. Go to nonprofits like Nationality Service Center or HIAS. Is Nationality Service Center all over? Because HIAS we only have in Pennsylvania and New York, right? Go to nonprofits who you trust. Go to your community leaders. Go to immigration attorneys in private practice who you trust. Tell your community members, don't jump. Read it and don't apply because it can put them in worse positions until we have further instructions. All right, Io, your turn. I think I used up more than 2.5 minutes.
That's fine.
I'm going to try to be very brief. So thank you very much for having us and for giving us the opportunity to try to at least let you know what's truly going on and what the Immigration Service is offering. And at this point, I'm afraid to say that it's really very, very little. And at least from the questions that we're getting from people who are calling us from the community, people think that there is something that is available to them. What the Immigration Service is saying is that if you are in status, or if you're falling out of status, you can apply for an extension, you can apply for another type of immigration relief, but you still have to qualify for it. They are not giving you any special exemptions simply because of the Ebola crisis, okay? The people that they are helping are people who are already in the United States. And we know that the people that you want to help are the people who are in your home country and you're trying to get them out into safety. But that's not what's available right now. So we do need you to take the message to the community so that people know and they're not making futile applications which are just going to get them into more trouble later down the line. For those of you who live in Philadelphia, please encourage people from the community to come out to the information session that the Immigration Service has organized. It is on Wednesday at 5:30, Wednesday, August the 27th at 5:30 at the offices of Akana. So it's in the local community. Encourage people to go so that they can educate themselves and protect themselves so that they can truly understand that there is very limited relief available at this point. And then think about how you as a community can put pressure on the Immigration Service so that they can give you something, greater relief. And maybe it should be temporary protected status. But it's not going to happen unless you go and begin to advocate to get this kind of wider relief for yourselves and for others. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.